Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little Valentine's Day embellishment share. Just a couple more little things that I've been working on. The first one is this book die. It's like a nesting book die and it comes with all these different sizes from AliExpress. And I just made some quick little, it was actually a lot harder to work with something so tiny because I wanted to do thickers all the way across, but it didn't work out that way. So I used some of my inner creativity little like resin, or not resin, acrylic pieces from Etsy. The XO ones for like one page of the book, and then one of the little acrylic hearts. And then my friend Star literally just gifted me these little conversation hearts, so I glued those on there. And I did go ahead and do 3 layers. This is like a heart vellum. And then I stitched down the center. And I remember seeing Daisy Lou do a Halloween version of these. And I'm pretty sure somebody gifted these in the embellishment box swap as well. So those are those guys. Quick, easy little book embellies. Next one is this die right here. It comes with the coffee cups, the nesting coffee cups, and then separately you can buy, you know, the cap or the domes. It comes with spoons, straws, and then the little like piece that goes across the coffee piece. Order that separately, which I do recommend getting both because that's why they turned out so cute. These cute little like frappuccino coffee cup. These were inspired 1000% by Berry Crafty on Instagram. She did some Valentine's Day themed ones, and I never got around to them for my Valentine's Day swap, but I was able to finally get them done now. And look how cute the detail of the slots. This is from KS Craft, this die. And then I used this plastic. This is from Monty, the polka dot pine cone. It's a little bit see-through, like you could see, I don't know if you could tell on camera, but you could see the frosting or the froth below it kind of. These kind of end up looking like Slurpees more than coffee, but they're super cute. The little straws I just did with some stripe paper, and I did them all the same. And then for like all the centers, I used all my Creativemojowholesalestudio like bits and bobs. These are from AliExpress, but most of them on the centers I used just like little flat cabochons versus like a sticker, which are super cute. And then I just added a little cluster sequins in the corner because this is like a really small area and I feel like it's hard to try to over embellish or layer on those areas. But I think these turned out super cute and fun, and I'm loving the hot pink of it. Next are these guys. Look how cute these little clipboards are, you guys. Itty bitty. These are 2x3s, and I was meaning to make them the minute Kayla did a tutorial, Kayla's Crafts, but I didn't know where I put my bulldog clips. These are called bulldog clips, like that, and they were with all my paper clips. So I finally found them, so I was able to do her tutorial, which I'll leave down below. And I just did, you know, the dangle like she did. I just added a bunch of wire wrap beads. These beads are from Ali. I love the heart ones. I'm finally able to use them. And then the erasers at the bottom that say Rad from Target Dollar Spot. These are so cute, right? I love that. And then my idea for this is for a crafty meetup coming up, or like a little crafty day for a friend's birthday. And I just made some labels, handmade labels. I did 3 different patterns, and so I just kind of clipped them on there. I didn't have a big enough bag. These are so tiny. These are from AliExpress. I wanted something as wide as the clipboard, but I ran out. I don't have enough. So I just did them like this, and they're just clipped in there, and you can unclip everything, and you can use the clip, this little piece, and then all the goodies, and then they have a clipboard to use or gift to somebody else and do the same thing with. So yeah, those are my quick little embellishment ideas, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.